The Daily Code Snippet. With a definition list, you will list terms and then define them. With a definition list, you will use the DL element, and the terms will be defined using the element DT. And finally, the definition itself would be inside the element DD. So continuing with our Filipino cookbook example, there may be a glossary of terms. In this glossary, we may find the terms jackfruit, salted eggs, and roast suckling pig. We can see the use of the different elements in this example of jackfruit. You can see how you would use the DL, the DT, and the DD elements to mark up the information. DL opening tag, DT opening tag, jackfruit, DT closing tag, DD opening tag, jackfruit is one of the largest fruits in the world, DD closing tag, DL closing tag. Presented by Designers Learn Code.